Alex, someone is there.
I saw it too.
I'm scared. Don't worry.
You cannot enter someone's property without... Stay away from...
It's locked.
No one can know. You worry too much.
Hello, friends. Welcome to Alex Daily English. Easy way. Let's learn English in a fun and easy. Learn English every day with Alex. Let's start. Lily, watch this. I can kick the ball all the way to the gate. That was not very far. I was just warming up.
Children, don't go too far from the house, okay?
Okay, Mom. Lily, look. Lily, look.
Looks like someone finally bought the house next door.
Dad, he looks strange.
Don't judge someone before you know them.
Maybe he is shy.
Or maybe he doesn't want people to know who he is.
Did you hear that? At midnight? Maybe Mr. Gray dropped something. I'm scared! Don't worry. Maybe it was just a box. Alex, someone is there.
I saw it too. Why are you two awake?
Mom, the neighbor is making strange noises.
You both need sleep.
Old houses make noises. But we heard two loud bangs.
You are safe here.
Alex, look! Footprints! Someone visited him last night. Maybe a friend? Then why didn't we see a car?
Alex! I was only looking. Stay away from that gate.
Look at these footprints. Someone came here last night.
Exactly. Maybe it was his friend.
Alex, don't! I'm only getting my ball.
What are you doing here?
My ball came inside.
Never enter this property again. Stay away from my property.
Okay, I'm sorry. He shouted at me like I did something terrible.
You cannot enter someone's property without permission.
Why are you defending him?
Alex!
Everyone, calm down.
My bicycle is gone!
Are you sure you left it here?
Yes, Mr. Gray took it.
Don't accuse someone without proof.
Did you see that? Yes. He is hiding something. Who is that man?
I don't know.
Let's go.
Wait, something is wrong.
No one can know. You worry too much. I said no one can know. Who's there?
Run!
Why are you chasing my children? They were spying on me. You should not chase children.
Enough! Everyone calm down.
Some doors are better left closed.
Who is it?
Nobody is there.
What does it say? It says...
Stop asking questions. That's strange.
What happened?
The camera stopped recording.
Someone turned it off.
Alex, is this yours?
Yes! That's my bicycle bell!
I knew it. We still need proof.
Alex, I don't like this.
Stay close to me.
Lily, look! Your bicycle! He really took it! Alex, look at all these things. It's locked! What? We're trapped!
Death by the nights.
Where is the stuff? These things don't belong to you! Give them to us!
Who's that? Run, children!
Come on!
Come Come on! Run! Fast!
Come on, Lily, run fast!
Alex! Lily, are you okay?
Dad, we were scared.
Leave my children alone! I was investigating the thefts. So the stolen items were hidden here? Yes, yes.
I was trying to return them.
Then you were not the thief? No. I was investigating the recent thefts. Alex's bicycle was connected to the thieves.
Then why were you always so angry?
I didn't write that.
Then who did?
Because I was afraid. Years ago, my family lost many things because of thieves.
You thought I was a thief?
I thought you were a curious little detective.
And what have we learned? Don't enter someone's property.
This is for you.
Thank you, Lily.
Looks like we have a new neighbor.
And maybe a new friend.
Never judge someone only by what you see.
Thank you for watching my story. See you next time. Keep learning English. Subscribe and like. Which part did you like?